Hello everyone and welcome to the new series of 5.5 features. So today we're gonna start from something pretty simple. Maybe it will not be a big thing to those who are already proficient in our environment, but it might be a very helpful feature to those people who are just taking their first steps in learning Aurora Vision Studio. So you guys probably remember how you access the examples, deep learning examples and tutorial. You would go to the file menu, then you would click open example, and then you get a whole list of directories, no descriptions. So basically you would have to open the documentation, go to the relevant section and choose a correct one. For example, this one. Of course, Studio had a pop-up window. It would take us to the documentation. Maybe let's click no for the time being, but still navigating through those tutorials and examples could have been a little bit intimidating to those who are new to our software. Okay, so I've got good news for you guys. This system is gone. Right now, we've got 5.5. And in 5.5, we have two new features, which is example browser and tutorial browser. The deep learning example still uses the old system, but we're working on it. But let's just look at the example browser. When you click it, you get a nice window, which is like a simplified browser, and you have all the examples gathered in one place. This is basically our documentation just improved. So you've got the name, you've got tools used, you've got some simple applications, descriptions, as well as the option to run in Studio. As you can see, there are many examples available, and we are updating this list on a regular basis. So yeah, the same applies to tutorials, which are like simple applications meant for those who are just taking first steps in our environment, like reading the barcode, counting the mounts, and everything. We can of course run this in Studio, or if we click here, it will take us to the detailed description of the example. And also we have the option to run in Studio. We'll see how it works just in a second. We've got all the hints, solution, some videos related to this example, but let's click run in Studio. And as we can see, we get the program and everything. There will be a pop-up window. I have it deactivated, but it's let's say it's not that necessary anymore. Another cool feature I would like to show you today is something that will be useful to virtually everyone. So basically what we did is we added a search engine to our documentation. Right now I opened a tutorial browser, but it doesn't really matter. You have a new search field and you can type in something you're looking for. For example, I want to search for something about the blob region. So, okay, I've got it saved. Enter, and now I'm getting a long list of results of all the articles, all the filter references, which are somewhat related to this topic. See, I have a machine vision guide article here. Here's some filter references. Let's say I want to find this filter, so I'll just click it and I'm getting the whole filter description. Another way to access it from Studio is you can simply click a filter, press F1 for like basic help, then you will be redirected to the offline version of the documentation, and here you also have the search engine. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short one, but we'll be coming to you soon with some new 5.5 features, so please stay tuned and see you next time.